Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna tell you about the story of Prophet Yousf alayhi salam devoured by the wolf. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was a good child. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam lived in Palestine. He had 12 children, and all of them were boys. One of his sons was Prophet Yousf alayhi salam. He loved him very much because Prophet Yousf alayhi salam respected and loved his elders. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam's dream. One night, Prophet Yousf alayhi salam had a dream. He told his father what he saw. In his dream, Prophet Yousf alayhi salam saw 11 stars. The sun and the moon bowed to him. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam's other sons did not like Prophet Yousf alayhi salam, except Benjamin, the youngest brother. They were jealous because they felt that their father loved Prophet Yousf alayhi salam more. One day they took Prophet Yousf alayhi salam out to play. They took him to a place far away from their home. They plotted against him. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam devoured by the wolf. Soon they returned home and pretended to cry. They told their father Yousf alayhi salam was devoured by a wolf and he is dead. They showed their father Prophet Yousf alayhi salam's shirt. The shirt was drenched in blood. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was abandoned in a well. The truth was, Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was not dead. They had thrown him into a well. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took care of him and kept him safe. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was rescued by a passing caravan of merchants who stopped at the well to get some water. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was appointed as a minister. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam was brought to Egypt. He was taken in by the chief minister of Egypt, who took good care of him. When Prophet Yousf alayhi salam reached adulthood, he was made the minister in charge of growing, harvesting, and storage of crops. He carried out his duty wisely. One day, he ordered the people of Egypt to store their harvest to prepare for bad times. Soon after, Egypt was hit by a long dry spell. The people of Egypt were well prepared, and many people came from other places to see if they could share some of the food that Egypt has stored. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam's family also came to Egypt to ask for help. At that time, they did not recognize Prophet Yousf alayhi salam. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam met his father. Finally, Prophet Yousf alayhi salam revealed himself. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam was very happy to be reunited with Prophet Yousf alayhi salam after such a long time. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam's wish to be reunited with his father was fulfilled. Prophet Yousf alayhi salam's father, mother, and his 11 brothers were very grateful and proud of him. That's all for now. hope you have enjoyed listening to the story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Next time I will tell you another prophet story inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz, take care.